Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Shantika Salsabila and student ID number 24220018. And this is my video for final exam test advanced structure. And I will explain to you about 40 question about TOEFL ITP structure and written expression. So let's watching. Okay, this is question number one. Andy Warhol was, the answer B. Andy Warhol was a leading figure in the pop art movement who is known for his multi-image silkscreen paintings. Why? Because a leading figure is a noun process. Is it complete the verb was? Why the others are wrong? Okay, question number one. Andy Warhol was in the pop art movement who was known for his multi-image silkscreen paintings. The correct answer is B, a leading figure. Because after the verb was, we need noun phrase, which is explain subject. For the complete sentence is Andy Warhol was a leading figure in the pop art movement. Why B is correct? Because a leading figure is a noun phrase, which is a complete verb was. Why the others are wrong? Because A, that one of leading figure is structure not grammatical, and C, leading figures is a jamak, which is Andy Warhol only one person. Andy, who leads figures, is structure and the meaning not exactly. And then question number two. Even with past research, there is a still great deal that is known about the workings of the human brain. The correct answer is D, not. Why? Because we have a pola be plus not plus past participle. Why it is correct? Because the sentences is masih banyak hal yang belum diketahui. So is not noun. Why others are wrong? Because A, neither must use a nor. B, none. Pronoun not adverb. C, no. Adjective. So this is can follow is. And then question number three. The United States consists of many different immigrant groups. Many sociologists believe there is a distinct national character. The correct answer C, even tough. Why? Because after the United States consists is subject plus verb. We need a conjunction. Why C is correct? Because even though berarti walaupun. And the others, in spite of, is must following noun. Despite must following noun. And whether we use choice or contracts. And next number four. Typically, in meadows or damp woods and bloom in the spring. The correct answer A, wild violets grow. This is a sentence need subject plus verb. Why is it correct? Because white violets is subject, grow is verb. So for this is complete sentences. And others, growth is noun. Growing is participle, and the grow of is noun phrase, not have verb. And then question number 5. The artworks are characteristic by patterns of light, the fewer eyes. Answer A, that attracts. Why? Because a relative clause explains patterns. So the others, when attracted, it is wrong. Which is attraction? Attraction noun. Attract to is verb. And then question number 6. A grass eating, river dwelling mammal, the hippopotamus to the pig. The correct answer is B. Is related. Why? Because we have a pola, subject plus be plus past participle. The hippopotamus is related to the pig. And then the other, being related, is not main verb. Relate, infinitive tanpa auxiliary. And relating is participle. And question number 7. Woodrow Wilson, as governor of New Jersey before he was elected president, and the correct answer D, served. Why? Because this is the sentence need verb simple past. So the other to have served is infinitive, who has served is relative clause, and the serving is participle. And question number 8. Fish in the Great Salt Lake, but its waters do contain small brine shrimp. The correct answer is D. There are no. Why? Because we have a pola, there are plus noun. There are no fish. And the other, why no? Tidak masuk akal. No, not complete sentence. Not only need the couple, but also. And next, number 9. An etude is a short musical composition written especially a particular technique. The correct answer is D. To enable students to practice. Why? Because this is menunjukkan tujuan. Written especially to enable students to practice. And the other is enable students practicing. This is wrong structure. Enables students practicing. This is wrong shapes. Enable students to practice. This is not the first two. Okay, next question number 10. Seldom games been of practically used in playing real games. The correct answer is C. Has the mathematical theory of. Why? Because the seldom have a structure. Has plus subject plus past participle. Seldom has the mathematical theory of games been. Why the other wrong? Because theories of mathematics. This is have an auxiliary. Theories is mathematics. Wrong structure. The mathematical theory has urutan salah setelah seldom. And next, question number 11. The city of Kalamazoo, Michigan, derives its name from a Native American word, bubbling springs. The correct answer B, meaning. This is because present participle is adjective. The meaning functional is participle, which explains the word. And for the complete sentence is meaning from a Native American word meaning bubbling springs. Why the others wrong? Because meant past participle not sesuai karena bentuknya relative clause yang benar, and that it mean terdapat subjek it sehingga menjadi tidak gramatikal. And whose meaning membutuhkan struktur lanjutan, misalnya whose meaning is. And next question number 12. Jet propulsion involves of air and fuel, which is from a powerful exhaust. The correct answer D. The ignition of a mixture. Why this is correct? Because involves the ignition of a mixture of air and fuel merupakan non-frase yang lengkap. Why the others are wrong? Because a mixture is ignites berupa klausa bukan non-frasa. Terus yang B, to ignite a mixture, infinitive tidak sesuai setelah involves. And C, a mixture of ignitive structure tidak mengalami dan tidak ada gramatikal. And then question number 13. Salt is manufactured in quantities that exceed those of most other commercial chemicals. The correct answer is D, if not all. Why? Because exceed those of most, if not all, other commercial chemical. Why others are wrong? Because of all not. Urutan katanya salah. Terus ada not if all are, tidak gramatikal. And are not all, tidak sesuai struktur kalimatnya. And question number 14. The United States consists of 50 states, has its own government. The answer A, each of which. Setelah koma digunakan each of which. Why is it correct? Because the United States consists of 50 states, each of which has its own government. Why the others are wrong? Because each day strukturnya salah. They each membutuhkan klausa baru. Each of belum lengkap. And then question number 14. Though smaller than our solar system, a quasar emits more like galaxy. The correct answer is A, than an entire. Why A is correct? Because this kalimat, this sentence emits more light than an entire galaxy. And why the other wrong? Because entire lie us. Pola perbandingan salah. That the entire tidak sesuai setelah komparatif. And the entire lie then salah strukturnya. And then number 16. People usually wear clothing white to basic purpose, warmth and decoration. The correct error is Y. Yang benar adalah for. People usually wear clothing for to basic purpose. Why? Tidak dapat digunakan setelah preposition. And then number 17. One of a first schools. The correct error B, of the. Actually frasa yang benar adalah one of the first schools. Artikel the harus digunakan sebelum ordinal number. Kalimat yang benarnya one of the first schools. And then number 18. Superior to all others words. Setelah all, the correct errornya A, others. After all, we need adjective other, bukan pronoun others. Kalimat yang benarnya superior to all other words. And then question number 19. Can change great from day to day. The correct error is great. Setelah verb change dibutuhkan adverb. Yang benar greatly. Kalimatnya can change greatly. And then question number 20. the time, place, and mode of his origin. Yang dimaksud di sini adalah asal mula fire, bukan manusia. Harus menggunakan its origin. Karena fire adalah benda. And then question number 21. Fall River designing the metal plates on which the first paper money in the United States was printed. The correct answer A. Designing. Simple past tense. Kalimat membutuhkan kata kerja utama. Designing is ground or present participle, bukan verb utama. Paul Revere designed the metal plates. Why the others are correct? Because which, benar, digunakan sebagai relative pronoun. First, benar, sebagai ordinal adjective. In, benar, sebagai preposition. And next question number 22. It was after shortly microbes were introduced at the beginning of the 17th century that microorganisms were actually cited. The correct answer is A. After shortly. Adverb placement. Shortly tidak dapat langsung mengikuti after dalam struktur ini. Correction. It was shortly after microscopes were introduced. And the other were introduced. Benar, but passive voice. C. The beginning, benar. Actually, benar sebagai adverb. And next question 23. Until the 18th and 42nd, practically the only pioneers who had ventured to the western United States were trappers and a little explorers. Correct answer D. A little. Because the explorers is countable noun. And the correction, a few explorers. Question number 24. Medical research indicates but larger amounts of the histamines can be responsible for colds. The correct answer is A, but. Because setelah indicates harus ada that, bukan but. Medical research indicates that larger amounts. And next, number 25. Yttrium is a silvery metallic element used in the made of red phosphorus. The correct answer is C, made. Why? Because after the, we need a noun. The making of red phosphorus. And the other, silvery, adjective, benar. Metallic, adjective, benar. Television, noun, modifier, benar. And question number 26. Tropical forest exist close the equator. Correct answer B, close. Close membutuhkan preposition. Close to the equator. And the correction, exists close to the equator. Number 27. The ease with which houseplants can grow causes them to be popular. The correct answer, can grow. Because this is a correction, can be grown. Sentence. The ease which houseplants can grow cause them to be popular. Grown. And next question 28. Paintings of religion ceremonial of historic character. The correct answer is A, history. Because sebelum noun karakter harus ada adjektifnya dulu. Jadi koreksinya historical character. Next question number 29. The term sonata is given to those works are written for solo piano. And the correct answer is works are. Harus ada relative pronoun. Correctionnya, those works that are written. Or those works which are written. And next question number 13. The perfect means for expression the modern era. The correct answernya, expression. Why? Karena setelah means for harus noun atau gerund. Tapi maksud kalimat ini adalah means for expressing the modern era. Jadi correctionnya means for expressing the modern era. 31. The discovery of the magnetic effects of coils made possible to measure an electric current. The correct answer is C, made possible. Why? Because make plus object plus adjective. This is a structure. Made it possible to. The correction made it possible to measure. And next, 32 programs of urban renewal, including rebuilding the inner harbor. The correct answer is renew. Noun form. Setelah urban diperlukan noun. And then urban renewal. And next, 33, with an amazing variety of symbolic figures. The correct answer is C, amazing various. Because adjective plus noun. Various is adjective, but after an amazing, we need a noun. An amazing, this is a correction, is an amazing variety. And then 34, behavioral pattern associated with selection of place to life. This is the correct answer is selection, because after we use a noun or gerund, and then the correction is associated with selecting a place. 35, average world temperatures have risen and half a degree Celsius. The correct answer is B, and half, because article use half diawali bunyi konsonan H. And the correction is a half degree Celsius. And then 36. The plan connected the Hudson River with Lake Erie by a canal was first proposed. The correct answer is A, connected. Why? Because plan harus dijelaskan dengan passive form. Correctionnya, the plan connecting the Hudson River or the plan that connected. And next, 37. Botanists have formulated a number of theory to explain it. The answer is D, theory. Setelah why? Because after a number of harus plural. The correction is a number of theories. 38. Taking a photograph in dimly light can harm a camera. Correct answer is D, dimly. Why? Because light in here is noun, sehingga membutuhkan adjektif. The correction is dim light. 39. Contemporary film directors, some of them write the scripts for. Correct answer is them. Because after comma harus menggunakan relative pronoun. Correctionnya, some of whom write the script. And then question number 14. Petroleum, it is composed of a complex mixture of hydrogen and carbon. The correct answer is A, it. Because double subject. Kalimat tidak boleh memiliki dua subjek. Correctionnya, petroleum is composed of. I think that is enough explain for to me. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.